Hey guys, I want to run through a quick Excel tutorial to walk through how to color code if you have a little drop-down menu. So in my example here, I have a drop-down menu where I've got a person who's going to be performing a certain task, and then I've got a status of that task. And the three options I've got under the status is not started, in progress, and complete. Now I've set this up using a different tab where I've got the three values there, not started, in progress, and complete. And if you're interested in learning how to set up a drop-down menu, just take a look at my other video on this channel, which is how to set up a drop-down menu. But in this example, what I want to do is teach you how to color code the backgrounds of any of these cells. So it's very easy to do. We call this thing conditional formatting. So what I'm going to do is go up to my ribbon at the very top of Excel, and at the top I'm just going to go to the Home ribbon. I want to make sure that my cell is captured, which is E5, which is my not started. That's what I want to conditionally format. And under the Home tab, I'm going to click on this conditional formatting button, which is near the right-hand side. It may be located slightly differently depending on how your Excel is set up, but it's called conditional formatting. And I'm going to go down to where it says New Rule. So that's conditional formatting, new rule. Now when this pops up, you're going to see a lot of different options. Don't get too intimidated by this. You can't really screw anything up here. It's pretty straightforward. You want to click on the second one down that says format only cells that contain, and then you're going to set up some criteria. So you're going to go down to the bottom of this where it says format only cells with, and then it says cell value. I'll click on the next one over that says equal to, so cell value is equal to, and then I'm just going to select from the list. So I've got, for example, not started. I'm just going to select from that, my little icon here, I'm going to click it. And now I'm just going to find the cell that contains not started. So I'm going to go to Sheet 3, I'm going to click on not started, and I'll click Enter. So what I'm saying is format only cells that are equal to that value, which is not started. What I'm going to do then is click the little format button, which is located right underneath where I picked my value. And when I click the format button, I can now pick a color. Now I'm going to pick red, which is pretty ridiculous, but I want to have big bright red that says not started. I'll click OK. So now let's go back and take a quick recap. We selected the second one down. It says format only cells that contain cell value equal to what we know to be not started, and we're going to make it red. I'll click OK. And now we can see when I select not started, it's red, in progress is still white, and complete is still white. So not started, I could highlight that as a problem, and then I could select the other values as I go through. Now you could do the same thing. You could make in progress yellow, and then you could make complete green, and so on. But now in my status column, I can see anything that's not started is highlighted as red, and it's automatic. It saves me a ton of time, especially if you have a large project list. Anything that you switch to not started is now highlighted. You can highlight it yellow, red, whatever you like. Hope that helps, guys.